Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your blog posts narrow width on WordPress blocksy. Okay, as you can see, we have a pretty normal width for our blog post. It's a bit wide, but it's normal width. And let's say we want to make it narrow width. Let's go ahead and click on Customize and open the WordPress Customizer. And once we're here, we can see our preview. And on the left-hand side, let's hover over to the post types area and click on single post. And you can see we have here post structure, general, and a design. We have 4 different options. We have normal width, currently selected. We have right sidebar, left sidebar, and narrow width. Once we click that, you can see that the spacing has indeed changed. Okay. Let's click the container here for our text. You can see it becomes narrow. Okay, how else can we configure this further? Okay, let's go back to our left sidebar here. Go under General and click on Layout. And you can see we have a bunch of options here. Now, we don't have to mess with these 3. Let's take a look at Narrow Container Max Width. By default, it's 750 pixels. We can make it wider, right? And it basically looks like a normal width page. And we can make it super narrow, so 400 pixels. And I think it's a bit too squished. All right, let's put it up a bit more. Okay, that looks pretty acceptable. And if we wanted to change other things here, we can change the whole site layout if we wanted to. And you can see our header also changes as well. But keep in mind that this is spacing for things other than our post. So if we were to change these 3 here, we would also be changing our homepage. So just keep that in mind. Okay, what else can we do to our narrow width layout? Let's go back to single post, and we can go here to content area style, and we can select between wide and boxed. And when we put it to box, well, it puts a box around. You can't see because we have our box design as white. Let's make it pink. There you go. There's our boxed area. And if we made it wide, you can see that it disappears. But if you wanted super narrow, we can put it boxed. Okay, so let's just keep it as that for the sake of this video. Let's go ahead and click on Publish and wait for our changes to save. And go up here. And this is our page. One last look at it. Our post, excuse me. And let's refresh it. And there is our narrow width blog post on WordPress blocksy. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.